Look at what else I found. This is a film canister, a camo film canister, and in it was a directions for Morse code. I'll put it all back. It's all rather damp and weathered now. That's very interesting. P-E-Y-A-L-E-S is written on there. Now that is interesting. See? Put it all back in. I stapled it to the tree. Somebody really was camping out here for a while and left all their stuff. Very interesting. Very interesting. Bye.